perfect strategy to take 5 to 10 candles on boom and crash. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. This is the Alpha Trade. Today I want to share this perfect strategy with you guys to take 5 to 10 candles on boom and crash without getting hit by any spike. Okay, as you can see, I'm already taking this one, and this is a live trade. Okay, this is a live account rather, and so I'm already taking some candles. I've taken about 3. Okay, I'm on the 4th one now. Okay, so this strategy is a very simple and straightforward one. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please like my like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, also in the description box you are going to see a link to my Telegram channel so that you'll be able to join my Telegram group where I drop free signals and chat setups every day. Okay, so click the link in the description box. You are going to be taken to Telegram where you'll be a part of the family. Okay, so we are on the 5th candle, right? We are on the 5th candle. We are on the 5th candle. So this strategy is very important. As you can see, we have this indicators here. You can see this indicator here and this other one here and this other one. Okay, we have black indicators, we have orange color indicators, and we have blue indicators. So it is a very simple and straightforward strategy. This blue indicator, whenever it crosses above this other indicators, it is an entry signal. Okay, it is an entry signal whenever it crosses above them. Here we have it here. It crossed above this one here. So this is where I was supposed to enter. So I entered 2 candles late. Okay. However, we still met our goal. Alright, we still hit our target. That's because this strategy gives you 5 to 10 candles. Like this, just 5 to 10 candles, you are free. I can give you more, but that's the one that you are most assured of being safe. So this is another example here. It crossed above all of them here. You can see it, and then here is where you'd have entered your trade. You can see all this. It gave us plenty candles. Okay, so but you take 5 to 10 and you are out of the trade. We have several examples which I am showing you guys here, which I'm sharing here. We have several examples. Look at this one here. It crossed above it and you'd have taken different candles. This way it crossed it here, right? And we have different candles you'd have taken. So it works very well, guys. This strategy works. I'm going to share the setup. Don't skip this. Don't skip any part. Look at it here. It also crossed here and we made these candles. Okay, don't skip this video, guys. I will share the I'm going to share the setup very soon. But let's back test it. Let's see boom 1000 if it really works on it also. Okay, I think we are. Can you close? Okay, it's still setting up. It's still setting up, and then I'll soon enter this one. Okay, it's still setting up. So, but this is another example here. Right, this is another example here where it crossed below it here, and then we took these candles. Here's another example. Let me see. Let me show you. This is another example here. As soon as it crossed below this, you have taken all these candles. This is massive, guys. This is really massive. This strategy is superb. This strategy works crazily. It works crazily, guys. Look at another one. It crossed below them here, and you have taken all these candles. Guys, this strategy works crazily. You just need to follow the rules. Don't be greedy. 5 to 10 and you are out. Look at it here, and then boom, taking all this candle, guys. So it really works. This one is setting up here. Yeah, I think yeah, let me take 1 trade here. Okay, just 5 candles and we are done. Yeah, you can see it. We are building this small account. Yeah, building this small account. Okay, so this is it. it is safe using this strategy, guys. So I'm going to share with you guys the setup. It's so simple. Look at it. We have the chimoku, we have the envelopes, the moving average. Don't worry about this MACD. It's not part of it now. Okay, so the ichimoku, this is the setup. You can screenshot it the way it is. You can screenshot the ichimoku setup the way it is here. Sorry about this. So you can screenshot it. This is it. This is the setup here. The Okay, yeah, this is it. Meanwhile, I should be posting this setup. I'm gonna post this setup at the end of this video, right? I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna attach the settings at the end of this video. So watch to the end. You're gonna see the full setup, right? Okay, so that is it. You click done and you are done. Then envelope. This is it. The envelope, the setup is simple. I'm also going to attach the screenshot of this setup at the end of the video. So don't skip the video, watch to the end, you're gonna see it. Okay, that's it. Then you click done also. Then the moving average as well. This is it. The period is 15. The method is exponential. Okay, this is it. So simple. You click done as well. Click done and you are done with it. That's it. Okay, you can see we are still making profit, guys. This strategy is really profitable. It's really profitable. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to crash 1000. Wow, wow, wow. You can see this, guys. You can see this. I've taken how many candles we have taken now? About, okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Complete. Let me now close this, guys. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let me close this. Yeah, let me close this trade. Let me close this trade. Let me close this trade. Oh, let's let me close. I wanna close this trade because that's giving me enough profit. They're giving me enough profit that I want. Okay. So wow, this strategy is really massive, guys. Okay, so I'm closing the trade now. So it has given me $2. Let me close it. That's because I used smaller size. So I'm closing it now. Profit. Boom. I've closed it. If I wanna
Okay guys, these are the various indicators I used on my chart. Use the same parameters too. Set up yours and get the exact same result as mine.